In a market where mirrorless cameras are often defined by relentless spec wars, the Sony A6800 represents something different: balance. It's not the flagship Alpha one, nor the compact creator-focused ZV line. Instead, the A6800 positions itself as a refined, highly capable APS-C mirrorless that blends portability with professional-grade performance. For enthusiasts, hybrid creators, and working pros who don't always want to carry full-frame gear, the A6800 may well be the sweet spot of Sony's entire lineup. With a new sensor, refined ergonomics, cutting-edge autofocus, and hybrid connectivity features, it is a camera that doesn't just iterate on the A6600, but elevates the APS-C category in 2025. In this deep dive review, we'll explore the A6800 from every angle: design and build, sensor performance, Sony's color science, autofocus evolution, video capabilities, and LAN features. Settle in, because this might be Sony's most important APS-C release in years. The Sony A6800 retains the compact footprint of its predecessors, but introduces subtle yet significant refinements. Constructed from a durable magnesium alloy chassis, it's rugged enough for professional use, yet lightweight enough for travel, street shooting, and vlogging. At just over 500 grams with battery, the A6800 strikes an excellent balance between portability and sturdiness. Full weather sealing is finally here, allowing creators to shoot with confidence in unpredictable conditions without resorting to protective covers. The grip has been redesigned, slightly deeper and more sculpted, providing more secure handling, especially when paired with larger E-mount lenses. The physical control layout has also been improved, with additional customizable buttons and a more responsive joystick for intuitive AF point selection. The rear LCD is now a fully articulating vari-angle touchscreen, with higher resolution and improved color accuracy, catering to both still shooters and video creators. Meanwhile, the OLED electronic viewfinder has been upgraded to 3.69 million dots with a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering a smoother and more immersive experience. Sony has also listened to feedback by improving heat dissipation for extended recording sessions, while keeping the body slim and unobtrusive. It may not have the retro charm of Fujifilm, but the A6800's design is all about function, speed, and reliability. A workhorse aesthetic built for real-world use. At the heart of the Sony A6800 lies a newly developed 26-megapixel APS-C back-illuminated Exmor R APS-C sensor, paired with the powerful BIONZ XR processor. The same engine drives Sony's cutting-edge full-frame flagships. This combination delivers a leap forward in both speed and image quality compared to its predecessor, the A6600. While the resolution increase from 24 megapixels to 26 megapixels may appear modest, the real advancements are in dynamic range, noise control, and processing efficiency. Thanks to its back-illuminated design, the A6800 excels in low-light conditions, producing impressively clean and detailed images at ISO 6400 and delivering highly usable results even up to ISO 12800. Dynamic range performance is outstanding, providing photographers with ample flexibility to recover highlights and shadows in RAW files without introducing artifacts or losing tonal depth. Colors are rendered with natural accuracy and pleasing richness, while fine detail is preserved across the frame, even when paired with demanding high-resolution glass. This makes the A6800 not just a reliable upgrade, but a tool that meets professional standards in a compact body. Sony's expanding APS-C E-mount lens ecosystem further enhances its versatility, with excellent pairing options such as the sharp and fast 16 to 55mm f/2.8G for general use, or the lightweight 70 to 350mm GOSS for telephoto reach. Whether shooting expansive landscapes, intimate portraits, fast-moving wildlife, or spontaneous street photography, the A6800 adapts seamlessly, offering professional-grade output in a form factor that remains highly portable. It strikes an ideal balance between performance and convenience, appealing to enthusiasts and working photographers alike who demand quality without the burden of a heavy system. In short, the Sony A6800 represents a meaningful evolution of the APS-C line, combining cutting-edge technology, excellent image quality, and an expanding lens ecosystem to make it one of the most compelling compact mirrorless cameras in 2025. Sony has made impressive strides in refining its color science over recent years, and the A6800 is a clear example of this progress. Unlike earlier alpha models, where skin tones sometimes leaned cooler or lacked subtlety, the A6800 delivers far more natural, flattering results with smoother tonal transitions and warmer rendering straight out of camera, which is particularly noticeable in portrait work. For photographers and videographers alike, Sony has included its latest creative looks. Modern, versatile color profiles designed to serve as excellent starting points for different moods and shooting scenarios, ranging from bold, vibrant, and contrast-heavy rendering to softer, more cinematic interpretations. These built-in looks make it easy for creators to adapt their output to different projects without requiring immediate post-processing. Beyond creative looks, the camera also provides extensive customization through its picture profiles, including the much-praised S-Cinetone, which comes directly from Sony's professional cinema line. This addition is a major benefit for video creators, as it allows them to achieve a polished, filmic aesthetic with rich colors and pleasing skin tones that are essentially ready to publish, saving significant time in grading. Still photographers, on the other hand, will appreciate the A6800's improved JPEG engine, which produces clean, accurate images with excellent color depth, while RAW shooters gain even more flexibility to fine-tune tones and hues in post-production. The combination of natural skin rendering, adaptable creative options, and reliable color reproduction makes the A6800 not only a step forward for Sony, but also a tool that gives both professionals and enthusiasts the confidence and creative control they need across a wide range of photographic and cinematic workflows. Sony has long been the benchmark in autofocus, and the A6800 pushes APS-C AF performance to new levels. Using the latest AI-driven subject recognition system, the camera can now identify and track people, animals, birds, cars, trains, and airplanes with remarkable accuracy. Real-time IIAF for both humans and animals is faster and more dependable than ever, even in low light or when subjects move erratically. The AF system covers nearly the entire frame with 759 face detection points, giving creators incredible compositional freedom. Continuous shooting reaches up to 11 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter, supported by a deep buffer that ensures you won't miss key moments. Rolling shutter is significantly reduced thanks to faster readout speeds, making the A6800 viable even for fast action photography. Menus have also been overhauled with Sony's latest UI, making navigation far more intuitive. Customizable function menus, the responsive touchscreen, and improved ergonomics result in a camera that feels faster and more user-friendly in real-world use. Battery life, rated around 600 shots per charge with the NPF-Z100 battery, is excellent for an APS-C body. USB-C PD fast charging adds further convenience on the go. The Sony A6800 is as much a video powerhouse as it is a stills camera, designed to meet the demands of modern creators who require both flexibility and professional-grade results. It offers oversampled 6K to 4K recording at up to 60p, ensuring sharp, detailed footage, along with full 10-bit 422 internal recording for maximum color depth and editing flexibility. For slow-motion shooters, it supports 4K/120p with a modest crop, giving filmmakers the creative tools to craft cinematic sequences with smooth motion. To further enhance versatility, the A6800 includes advanced picture profiles such as S-Log3, HLG, and S-Cinetone, enabling everything from cinematic grading to instant broadcast quality output straight from the camera. Stability is another strong suit, with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, delivering up to 5.5 stops of compensation, while active mode provides extra smoothness for handheld vlogging, documentary shooting, or run-and-gun filmmaking. Autofocus performance remains one of the highlights, with subject tracking that is fast, sticky, and natural, avoiding the overly mechanical look that some competing systems produce. Connectivity has also been elevated, with the A6800 featuring wired LAN support via USB-C and robust high-speed wireless transfer options, making it easy to integrate into professional environments. Whether you are live streaming, tethering for controlled studio sessions, or sending files directly to clients in the field, the camera adapts seamlessly to different workflows, ensuring that it can serve both solo creators and production teams alike. With its combination of advanced video capabilities, reliable stabilization, pro-level autofocus, and flexible connectivity, the A6800 stands out as a complete hybrid solution that bridges the gap between high-end filmmaking and everyday usability in a compact form factor. The Sony A6800 doesn't try to replace full frame. Instead, it redefines what an APS-C mirrorless can be. With its upgraded sensor, cutting-edge autofocus, impressive video capabilities, and improved design, it is more than just an incremental update. It's a professional-grade hybrid tool that fits in a small bag. For travel photographers, hybrid shooters, vloggers, and anyone seeking a lighter kit without sacrificing performance, the A6800 stands as one of the most versatile and important APS-C cameras of 2025.